Kisa na kesi juu ya mauaji ya mwanafunzi Rita Waeni'S imekuwa ikiendelea kwa muda, ambapo patholojia wa serikali Johnson Odor amekuwa akifanya uchunguzi kupata kuthibitisha aswa masaa ya mwisho na dakika za mwisho katika maisha yake Rita Waeni'S. Kulingana na taarifa tunazozipokea kwa sasa katika meza yetu ya habari ni kwamba imepata kugundulika dakika za mwisho na haswa kifo chake Rita Waeni'S kilikuwaje, na je, alipata kuiagaje dunia Rita? Kulingana na taarifa tunazozipokea, baada ya kichwa chake Rita kuweza kupatikana na familia kuweza kuthibitisha haswa kichwa kilichopata kupatikana kule katika demu ya Kiambaa, kaunti ya Kiambu, ni chake Rita pamoja na simu yake pia. Patholojia wa serikali Johnson Odor amepata kuthibitisha na kudai ya kwamba binti huyu alipata kufa kifo kichungu sana, maana alipata kunyongwa kabla ya mwili wake kugawanywa na kukatakatwa vipande vipande. The severed head discovered in Kiambaa Dam, Kiambu County on Sunday has been positively identified by the family of Rita Waeni'S, a university student who was tragically killed. The identification was made based on specific features such as xiphoid, hair, and teeth formation or dental formula. Now, this confirmation has allowed the team of pathologists led by Chief Government Pathologist Johnson Odor to proceed with conducting an autopsy on the head. This autopsy is a crucial step in determining the cause of Rita's death, which occurred on January 13th at an apartment in Roysambu, Kiambu County. Ilisemekana Rita alipata kuiaga dunia ilikuwa tarehe 14. Now, continuing with the same story, after the discovery of the head, now the news have finally been unveiled to the public that Rita alipata kunyongwa kwanza, ndipo jamaa akachukua wakati wa kumkatakata na kuweza kubeba mwili wake. Na haswa kulingana na taarifa zingine tunazozipokea, these people killed Rita. Hakuwa mtu mmoja. Baada ya kumaliza kumuua Rita na kukatakata mwili wake, yule gaidi ama jamaa ambaye inaaminika ndiye alipata kufanya kitendo kile, alipata kumuita mwenzake ambaye alimsaidia katika kusafisha the scene of the crime, ambayo ni ile nyumba aliyokuwa ameuawa Rita. So they washed the place. Walipata kusafisha. They washed the place where Rita had been killed. They made sure that they had not left any traces of DNA at the place, and they made sure that the apartment was, or the Airbnb apartment was really clean, that when the owner of the house came to try and ascertain whether something wrong had occurred at the Airbnb apartment, they were certain that nothing happened in the room. Only the blood stains that were discovered outside the room and at the dustbin suggested that something bad had happened in that room. And mostly they thought maybe the guy decided to slaughter a hen or something. But after a clear investigation, that's when they discovered, wait a minute, this is not a hen or a rabbit or something else. This is actually a person's body. These are person's body parts that have been kept on these polythene bags and have been thrown into a dustbin. So that's when they went ahead to call the police at the Kasarani police station, the DCI. They came and combed the crime scene. Now, this is where they discovered, wait a minute, these people were professionals. They didn't kill Rita this was a premeditated murder, as we may call it, because it never happened out of the blues. These people had the tools to do this thing. Now, there's certain information also coming to the limelight in regards to the death of Rita and the persons involved in the death of Rita Waeni'S. It seems, as explained by the DCI. This person had requested the money or the ransom from the family of Rita, 500,000, which actually they were not able to produce. So the guy decided, you know what, I have to teach other people a lesson that you don't mess with us when we ask for ransom from you in regards to your child. You have to deliver. So he went ahead and killed Rita. After killing Rita, he did not do the work alone. He went ahead to incorporate an alibi to the case and to his Aeneas Act. That's when the alibi came, they came on with an opinion. You know what? We have to dismember the body. We have to make sure that this body is not traced to us. So they went ahead, they bought those. Now the guy called them and told them to come with the machines, the hacksaws and the axe. That's when they came and did what they did with Rita's body. But according to government pathologist Johansen Odor, he tells us that Rita had already been choked to death before his body was dismembered, which is something that many also had circulated early on social media or on different media houses. For now, that's what's up. Make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. This is FM Show KE. My name is F. K. Mwenda.